Melt away stomach fat with this home-ready drink. The homemade drink with prunes is a magic wand that is able to expel from the body those hated kilos and body fat. Many people will not believe it until they try to lose weight using this product. In fact, losing weight with prunes is a simple and quick way to achieve weight loss, and does not harm your health. About prunes, they are miraculous. That is, their ability to deal with excess weight is amazing. In folk medicine, it is used in almost all recipes to lose weight. Before talking about the drink to lose weight, we will talk a little bit about the properties of the prunes. 1. Prunes facilitate the work of the gastrointestinal tract, that is the intestines. Many people know that with constipation it is recommended to eat a prune, to solve the delicate problem. Due to the fact that prunes contain a lot of fiber, this dried fruit is ideal for the best prevention of constipation and stomach curd. 2. It is considered one of the best antidepressants. If a person is dieting and adheres to a strict diet, they limit their eating, the nervous system fails. Namely, with weight loss becoming irritable, your mood is constantly changing. Regular consumption of prunes will make the nerves normalize and eliminate outbreaks of violence, excitement and mood swings. 3. Help against premature aging. Prunes contain vitamin E and beta-carotene, which protects fatty acids and cell membranes from free radicals and helps fight against aging, loss of skin elasticity and wrinkle formation. We could continue to quote prunes' properties, but we would not end up. Homemade drink with prunes raisins to eliminate belly fat. Ingredients: 1. A liter of pure water. 2. 100 grams of prunes without seed. Preparation: 1. You should have a very clean glass jar with a lid. Put the prunes and water, cover the jar tightly and reserve for a week in the refrigerator. 2. At the end of the week liquefy. 3. What you should do is take a glass every morning on an empty stomach until you see the results.